Hi, my name's Terry Koziniec. I'm an academic in the discipline of IT, Maths and Statistics, and I'm the academic chair for Internetworking and Network Security. I also work closely with the team in cybersecurity and forensics. For students who enter the course from high school, it typically takes 3 years to complete a Bachelor of Information Technology, but a lot of our students also come with advanced standing from TAFE, and that varies, but often it's possible to complete the degree in as little as 2 years. One of the nice things at Murdoch University is that we offer double majors. Majors that are available within the Bachelor of Information Technology include my own area, Internetworking and Network Security. Very common for students to team that up with a major in cybersecurity and forensics. But we also offer a wide variety: business information systems, computer science, games technology, and it's up to students to choose what combinations of those meet their objectives and their future employment. Some of the reasons that I'd encourage you to study at Murdoch University include some fantastic new facilities. We've got hands-on data centre. Students from their very first unit in data communications will actually work in the environment that they'll see in the workplace. $2 million spent on new data communications, networking and security facilities, and staff that are really qualified and working in industry as well. So a lot of our tutors have been ex-students. They've gone out to the industry, they've come back and they bring that expertise and share it with the students. So for students studying in our degrees, some of the practical experience they'll obtain is hands-on with the network equipment, so the routers and switches that form the backbone of the internet. When we talk about the cloud actually lives somewhere. It's these servers in the data center. It's no longer this white fuzzy thing, but it's real hardware that you'll be working with. In terms of employment opportunities, our graduates can find themselves working for small business, large enterprises, government, security organisations such as ASIO, Defence Signals Directorate. Really, IT underpins everything that we do these days. So one of the things that I'm particularly proud of is that one of our ex-students, who's also now one of our current tutors, is actually responsible for developing and rolling out the COVID-19 clinics. So his specific role is developing the 4G network that provides connectivity for that group. IT graduates are important because, as we've seen in the last few months, the world's changing. Everything's different. We're having a different approach. We're working remotely. Things that were normal before, we've got to find alternate ways, and often IT is the enabler for those sort of changes.